Okay, we have a question to solve. We have to solve to differentiate y equals to bracket open s square minus 4s plus 1 raised to power bracket close raised to power 6. So if you have the knowledge of differentiation, or if you don't have, watch my other videos. I explain how to differentiate, but I will also do it here. Pay attention. We have this. We have y equals to bracket s square minus 4s plus 1 equals to 6, alright? So what do we do? When you look at this, we found out that this value inside there appears how many times? 6 times. So this multiplied by this multiplied by this is 6 times. It will take a long day to solve it. So but with the help of differentiation, we'll be able to solve for this. Look at what we do is this. Let s square, the one of this, the term inside the bracket, minus 4s plus 1. Let it be equals to, what do we use? Let's use p. Let it be equals to p. Now I will differentiate this, and I also differentiate this. So therefore we have, such that we now have y. So our new equation now will now be y equals to p raised to power 6. Okay, very good. Now, but first, let me differentiate this now by saying dy, by change in y over change in p. And in differentiation, what will happen is that the exponent will be decreasing, all right? The exponent will what? Will be decreasing. I'll take this and multiply it by p. This exponent we use to multiply p, and it will get reduced by what? By 1. So I have this to be this p, this 6. This is now the first thing. The next thing is what? 6 minus 1. Okay? That will give us what? 5. So I'll write 5. So this has been reduced by 1, right? That's the first thing. And the next thing, I want to differentiate this very one. Okay? By saying the term inside the bracket, that will have d all over ds. Now the change of s square minus 4x plus 1. Okay? That will be equal to, I want to believe you can see the board. That will be equal to, now let's check this. On the same thing I did here. I'll bring this 2 here, and a minus 1. So I will have 2x. 2 minus 1, that will be 1. You don't need to put 1 there. This raised to power 1. Okay? The next one is what? 4. What is here is 1, okay? There is 1. So 1 times minus 4 into the minus 4. And now 1 minus 1, that will be 0. And anything is by 0 is 1. So I have it to be 4. Okay? There will be 4. Now what about our 1? There's 1 here. This is it here. The change in 1, that will be 0. And 0 plus 4 is still 4, okay? So we leave it like this, so we have new. Then finally, what we now have is dy dx. Dy dx now is dy dx of this now, have it? So let's replace it. So we have it to be This very one, that is, divide the t, multiply by d, the s. Let's have it. Let me use that, okay? So that where I see this, I'll put it. Where I see this, I'll put it. So I will have, or we have, divide the p is this. That is 6p is the power 5. Then multiply by d dx. D dx is 2x minus 4. Okay? Now, anywhere you see p, you replace it by what? This value. This is what we replace it. So that I wanna have my dy dx equals to this 6. Then where's my p? P is equals to s squared minus 4s, okay, plus 1 bracket close, and then multiply by d ds. D ds is 2s minus 4. So I have it to be, let me put it in bracket, 2s minus 4. Okay. Now, don't forget our p raised to the power 5. This is our p raised to the power 5. Now, put my 5. So, this is our final answer to this. So, when you factorize this, you will have this. But in factorization, this is raised to the power 6. Take a long way. So, here's a way to do it. I want to believe you have learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video, share, and make your comment. Bye.